in your health this morning as we start to try to reemerge from this pandemic. Adjusting to a new normal can be taxing on our mental health. And with COVID cases on the rise again, people are still feeling anxious, uneasy, traumatized, and just plain stressed out, especially with the constant adjustments to in-person interactions. But here to help, Suze Yalof Schwartz. She is the founder and CEO of Unplug Meditation, the world's first drop-in secular meditation studio that just happens to be right here in Los Angeles. Lucky for us. Suze, thank you for joining us. Good morning.
Good morning, and thank you so much for having me.
Oh, listen, we're two moms, and we understand the need to quiet that crazy mind and the world's assaults. You are a fashion editor, magazine editor, and turned to meditation and then transformed the world of meditation. Tell us what drew you to it.
Can you imagine when your mother-in-law tells you that you need to breathe because you're acting too stressed? You have to listen to that, especially when she's a psychotherapist. So she taught me a 3-minute exercise that completely changed my life forever and made me realize that I wanted to do this and share this with everyone, because most people don't realize that stress is optional and there are tools that can help us stop it and help us feel calm in those moments when you need it the most.
Ooh, I love that. Stress is optional. You can choose a different reaction. I love it.
I wish if it was that easy. I mean, is it that easy? As people kind of reemerge from the pandemic, they're suffering from anxiety and stress. How can meditation help them?
It is so easy. And I want to just start with one thing. And I want to tell people that you will never be able to clear your mind. A lot of people think meditation is about clearing your mind and finding Zen. And that's just never going to happen. We have 50,000 thoughts every single day. Most of them are repetitive. A lot of them can cause us serious stress. And there are so many tools, including the Unplug meditation app, where you can press a button and in under 10 minutes, whether you're overwhelmed, stressed, anxious, can't sleep, you will be able to transform. So I want to teach you a little meditation that takes 16 seconds. I feel like we have that amount of time that will help you in those moments of anxiety and stress.
Please,
how does
go
that sound?
for it. Yeah, I love it.
Okay. Okay, this is a meditation I learned from my teacher, David G., and it's used by Navy SEALs, and we've taught it to over 1 million people on the Unplug meditation app. And what you do is, it's called the box breath, and it literally stops you from your mind wandering and getting a little bit stressed. So what you do, let's try it all together, is we breathe in through the nose to the count of 4 like this. We hold our breaths for 4 seconds. We audible exhale out, relaxing your face, relaxing your shoulders for 4 seconds, and then you hold your breath for 4 seconds. And then open your eyes. Did you try that?
I'm telling you right now, it does make a world of difference. We need to do this before every reaction. You know, someone said your responsibility, your ability to respond in those moments when you do that box breath is beautiful. Well, Suze Yalof Schwartz, thank you so much. You do so many things we don't have time for, but sound baths, crystals, aromatherapy, and do you have online work as well that people can tap into if they don't want to go in?
Yes, so you can download the Unplug meditation app. And what I do every single morning is before I even get out of bed, I don't turn on the news. I don't look at all of the things until after I do my meditation. So I kind of give myself a little mental hygiene. And this is something we all need during the pandemic. Before I get out of bed, then we can turn on the news and then we can live our lives.
That's what we'll say hello to you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. You've been so very helpful to all of us, and boy, could we use it. Thank you very much. We hope you'll come back.